In the forest so deep, where the sun takes a peek, lived a dragon so grumpy he forgot how to speak. His tail made a thud, his roar went grrr. Even the squirrels hid under their fur. But the bunnies hop near with a hop, 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 and the chipmunks squeak, don't you dare stop. Kindness can any mood around. Grumpy dragon, don't you frown. With hugs and laughs we'll help you see. The sun shines hiding in you and me. The fox brought a pie, it was berry, not sly. The bird sang a tune with a twinkle and sigh. Even the ants did a tiny dance. The dragon blinked twice in a curious trance. A hug from a hedgehog, oh so spiky and snug. A joke from a raccoon, what do you call a bug? The dragon snorted smoke, then a giggle did break. His scales shook so hard it rattled the lake. Kindness can turn any mood